This video is going to show you how to remove and or replace text using Affiliate Switchblade's advanced text remove, replace, edit utility. This text replace tool is very high tech in that it allows you to actually replace text even when that text you want to replace is unknown. I'll show you what I mean. The text you want to make edits to goes up in this text box, and what I've put in that text box is a list of proxy servers from a proxy server list website. You enter what you want to remove in this text box, enter what you want to replace that text with in this text box, and if you just want to remove the text, then leave the replace with text box empty. The easiest way to do this is just select up here the text that you want to edit or remove. So let's say you want to remove this right here. You select it with the mouse. It appears down here. You click the plus sign, and that text that you selected appears in this drop down box. You just click it with the mouse and it gets put into the text box. You can also type what you want to remove here. Spaces and tabs are automatically converted to space and tab placeholders just to make it easier for you to be clear on what you're replacing or editing. So to remove the text that you selected there, you leave this text box blank because you're not replacing it with anything. Click the Remove Replace button. Let's say, for example, you want to remove both the US and the space before it. Whether that space is a tab or a series of spaces, you select it, click the plus sign. Again, leave this blank if you just want to remove it. If you want to replace it with something, enter what you want to replace it with here. The real power of this software program is it allows you to remove or replace large blocks of text even when that text is unknown. Now what I mean by that is, let's say you want to keep everything up until United States. You want to keep everything up until this column and you want to remove everything else. You use what is known as the unknown text placeholder. I'll explain how to do that. First, you select the leftmost part of the text you want to keep. Click the plus sign, add it. Then you click the plus sign and add unknown text. What you're doing here is you're telling the software program is you want to remove blocks of text that are unknown. You then have to define the rightmost part of the text you want to remove. Select it. Again, it appears down here. Click the plus sign. Click the drop down box to put it in this text box. So far in this text box, we have tab, United space States, unknown text, space, the word ago. To fine tune your results, you can tick one of these check boxes. If you tick this checkbox, you're including what is to the left of unknown text for removal or replacement. We want to keep United States, so we're not going to check that box. And then this checkbox is if you want to include text to the right of unknown text for removal or replacement. And we do want to remove this. We will tick this checkbox here. So with these settings, everything up until unknown text is going to be kept, not removed. Unknown text to be removed. The part after space and ago, the word ago, will be removed. You click the Remove Replace button. Your first 4 columns are kept. Everything else is removed. Here's another example of how the advanced remove replace utility can be used. Let's say we have HTML code from a web page and we want to remove all the HTML tags, so we're left with just the text. Very easy to do. Since all HTML code begins with a left bracket and ends with a right bracket, all we do is select one of the left brackets, add unknown text, because what is between the left bracket and right bracket obviously varies with HTML code. Select right bracket, add it, and then we want to check include text to the left of unknown text for removal as well as right, because we want to remove the brackets as well as what's between them. Click remove replace. There you go. All the HTML tags are removed. You're left with just the text.